Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Aline and today's video is going to be focused on all you men out there who are suffering from erectile dysfunction and really don't know what to do anymore. So stay tuned until the end of this video. I will be talking about this product called Aizen Power that is here to help you men out. And let me just tell you that throughout this video, I will be clearing up any doubts or hopefully answering any questions that you might be having regarding this supplement. So just stay tuned until the very end so you don't have any regrets after you've made your purchase, or also so you don't throw your money away. All right, guys? So basically, I will be leaving Aizen Power's official website just below this video in the description box. So there's that box just here, and I will be leaving the link there, also in the very first comment, all right? So that's the only place on the internet where you guys are going to find the original Aizen Power on. And let me just tell you that be very careful from where you're getting it, all right? Because the Aizen Power, the original one that does give you great results, can only be bought and sold through their official website. So make sure you are going to the correct place, all right, guys? Now, if you are someone who has been wanting to treat erectile dysfunction naturally without causing damage to the reproductive system, then Aizen Power is one of the best solutions for you. There are no risks and it is extremely easy to swallow and safe to take. So each and every capsule of Aizen Power has been made using the best herbs and ingredients sourced from the best plants and places so you can get the best results, guys. And basically, Aizen Power is an all-natural dietary supplement that has been specially designed to help men overcome the problem of erectile dysfunction. So if you want to up your game, if you want to stop your problems with erectile dysfunction, then Aizen Power goes straight to the root cause of the problem and fixes that up for you, all right? But you guys need to be committed to taking your treatment with the Aizen Power very seriously. So just remember that once you make your purchase and you begin taking Aizen Power, you need to use it constantly every single day in order for your body to start delivering you results, all right? So just don't be slouchy about it. Don't start taking it and then stop and then take it again. Just remember to take it constantly every single day and you will see great results in no time, all right? Plus, you don't need to worry about throwing your money away because the Aizen Power actually has a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you guys are getting 60 days to take in this product, and after 60 days, if you don't have good results or if you aren't happy with it, you simply need to go to the place where you got it from, the official website, ask for a refund, and they will give you all your money back. All right, everyone? So just keep that very fresh in your mind. So guys, if you want to up your game, if you want to say goodbye to erectile dysfunction forever, then I guarantee you that you won't be upset once you start using the Aizen Power. All right? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. Remember to get the original Aizen Power on the official website. The link is just below this video waiting for you. See you guys around and have an amazing day. Bye.